Back to back yan, baka malito ka.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Solanit. I'm also a YouTuber in YouTube. And I'm a real estate property investment, especially here in Avida Land Corporation, where the home begins investment at Avida Towers Verge, where your aspirations converge. Avida Towers Verge is a high-rise condominium that has 3 towers, Tower 1, Tower 2, and Tower 3. Tower 1, it's already ready for occupancy,
So, ano na ako, 5:30
and the
na ako.
Tower 2 is near
Adjusted.
turnover is 2026, and the Tower 3, it's a coming development.
Eh, wala na kasi lang.
I really love this
August 7 lang
project
tayo, di ba? Eh, 6:30.
because
Hanggang 6
the development and
Pero pwede naman mag-extend.
access to all
So, hanggang 7:30 lang.
in the metro.
Hindi, walang 7:30.
Here,
Hanggang 7
your
lang talaga ng show.
aspirations in life are never
Ito talaga yun, hanggang 6 lang. Ine-extend lang ng
Thank you
7
for
pag may
watching,
client.
guys.
So paano mangyayari yan? Okay na ako, wag na ako rito.
Hindi.
Okay na ako.
Hindi na daw siya mag-money.
This is our show.
Hindi kasi tignan mo nga yung ano.
Hanggang 6 lang tayo.
Hanggang 6 na kami.
Ikaw sa
Kasi
5:30.
adjust na tayo eh.
Ikaw sa 5:30 to 6. Eh di last wala na.
Lahat na tayo rito.
Dito tayo. So, sa'yo,